The launch of this landmark ICT infrastructure is also a testament to the people-centered future we are building. A Philippines where technology and human connection go hand in hand. This technological infrastructure strengthens connection, not just digitally. It ensures that innovation fosters connection, brings opportunities, and uplifts lives. The bagong Pilipinas we aim to achieve is not just about rebuilding, it is about reimagining and transforming. A nation that embraces digital transformation is a nation that secures inclusive progress.
We're very excited to launch today the Philippines' first AI-ready hyperscale data center in the Philippines. What makes this different is its size, its capacity. Ang VITRO po has had 10 data centers in the past. Ito ho yung pang-11th namin. And the size of this data center is bigger than our 10 data centers combined. Ang size ho ng data center namin dito is 50 megawatts in terms of total capacity. And it's really meant to accommodate hyperscalers. When we say hyperscalers, ito ho sila AWS, sila Microsoft, sila Google. It's meant to cater also to the public sector, sensitive government data, and obviously for mga enterprises and businesses here in the Philippines. We're very happy that the President accepted our invitation to grace the launching of our VITRO Santa Rosa data center. We're very supportive within the PLDT Group of the President's digitalization efforts. And this is a testament to that support to be able to give the proper infrastructure for connectivity and digitalization that our Filipinos deserve.